Welcome to Learn Hmong the J Way. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to best learn the Hmong language. Okay, so on my website hmongdictionary.com, there is an option called Study CVT. CVT stands for Consonant, Vowels, and Tones. So these are the consonants. Below in this area are the vowels, and then tones or tone markers over here. Likewise, these are the tones too that you can click. So for example, you wanted to learn how to pronounce this consonant, click on it.
Yo. Yo.
Okay. And then you can combine with a vowel.
Ah.
Also notice that it combines the two together right here, and you can click on it to read.
Ya.
Okay. And then at this point, if you want to continue to combine with other vowels, you just click like this.
I. Yai. Ao. Yao. A. Yay.
Now let's say you wanted to learn how to combine with the tones. You just click on any tone that you wanted to learn. For example, like this.
Yay. 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 Yay.
Blank means no tone marker, okay? And then for your reference, you can also click on this tonal line to help you out. You should really master this tonal line because it gives you a reference of the ending tone marker sounds like. So for example, ending with J would have this tone.
Go.
Ending with S would have this tone.
Mu. Gu. Yay. Yay. Nia. Yay. Neng. Yay. Xia. Yay. Rong.
Okay? And again, you can select any consonant here to study. So for example,
Do. Day. Day. Day.
they, like the hand.
Mu. Day. Day. Gu. Day. Nia.
Let's try the double consonant.
Ko. K. I. Kai. Ao. Ko. Ko. Go. Ko. Mu. Ko. Gu. Ia. Kia. Xia. Kia. Nia.
Triple.
Cho. A. Cha. Xia. Cha. Go.
Quadruple.
I. Cai. Go. Cai. Mu. Cai. Gu. Cho. Ia. Chia. Chia.